day. This is Dr. Ada once again. Let me teach you how to work faster on the computer. Usually, for you to open an item with the mouse, you double click on it, isn't it? What about clicking on the item once instead of twice? Let's see how it goes. Now, ordinarily, as you work on your system, you want to open an item, you do what? You double click, isn't it? You click on it once to select, and you double click like this to open, isn't it? But in this case, we want to just point our mouse, okay, to the object to select it, and we'll click once to open. So to do this, you just open your Windows Explorer, click on this icon here. That's it. Then you go to your left here, okay, quick access. Or again, to open Windows Explorer, you know that, Windows E. That's it. Then you go to your left, quick access, right click on it. Choose options. Good. Then here, you come here. Click items as follows. Single click to open an item, point to select. So just click on this option, click on apply, and say OK. You are done. Okay, you're done. So 5 points, look at this, it's selected already. But what happens is that once you point it at any object, you wait a bit within some few seconds before it will be selected. For example, look at it, my documents folder, just look at it. See that? It waits a while, just a few seconds, about 1 or 2 seconds before it will be selected. For example, let's use this system now. Let's use this mode. I want to copy some files. Okay, I just come here. My files are here. Okay, they are here. See, I just click once. I need to click only once. You can see that. Just click once to open. That's it. You click just once, and it's faster. Now I want to select all these files. Okay. Now once you're in this mode, it's advisable you change your view mode. So you right click, go to view, and click on details. It's on details already. Don't let it be on list, because there are times it's possible that the whole space is filled with all your files. So make sure that you leave a space around where you can deselect. It's on details now. That's it. You can see if I scroll down, scroll this way, I can have it, and by then you have a space to click on to deselect. I want to select all the Acrobat files here. I'll just click on this, the first one. I'll just put it here. Point to the first file. Okay, I'll point to the first file. It's selected already. Okay, I'll quickly move my mouse to the scroll bar here and scroll down. I want to select all the Acrobat Reader files. I hold down my Shift key and come and just leave it here. See, it selects all of them. I'm okay. I'll bring it back to the scroll bar and just press Ctrl C. I've copied all of them. I'll come back here. I'll go to this point. I'm just clicking once. You can see. I'm just clicking once. Just click once. That's it. See it. Go to commerce. Good. I'll just right click here and paste it here. That's it. It's there. It's there. That's it. So it's so easy. It makes you work faster. You just click once. If I want to open this file, for example, I'll just click on it once to open it. You can see that. Okay. That's it. That's it. So that's how to use point to select, click to open. Point to select, click to open. If you want to take it back to how it was before, it's not difficult, it's so easy. Just Windows E, okay, Windows E. You go back to quick access, right click, options, okay, then here, click on this option here, click on apply, okay, that's it, that's it. So you've taken it back to how it was before, where you have to double click to open.